Help instructors easily compare and track participant progress by setting default class progress indicators for your organization. This tutorial shows how to configure the default class progress settings for your organization. To begin, click Admin Tools and select Class Progress and User Progress. Note: the Modify Org default progress indicators, class progress permission, must be set at the organization level to access this feature. Here, you can select which indicators display by default on the Class Progress dashboard for your organization. By default, Content Completion, Objectives Completion, Login History for the last 30 days, and Checklist Completion display. To reset class and user progress for all courses, select Reset All Courses to use these default settings checkbox. Click an Indicators context menu. To reorder, replace, and hide indicators from users. Note: progress indicators that are hidden from users will display the Hidden from User icon next to the context menu. For this example, select Replace. Here, you can select another indicator. Click the indicator you want to set. The new indicator displays. Click User Progress. Customize the progress indicators you want to display in the User Progress Report. Edit the Progress Report information settings if desired. Here, you can customize the color indicator's percentages. Click the On Track percentage to update the percentage indicator. Note: instructors can override these settings at the course level. When you are satisfied with your changes, click Save. Help instructors easily compare and track participant progress by setting default class progress indicators for your organization.